In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Discord not opening. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it can be really annoying when Discord isn't opening and you have no idea why, especially when it can be a multiple of different reasons. So the first thing you want to do is go over to search, type in Task Manager. Once you're here, it's going to open up something like this, and then you just want to go to the very top and search for Discord. Once it's here, you're going to right click on the application and just press end task. And then what you have to try and do is try and open Discord again. If it doesn't open again, what you want to do is you want to head on over to search again and type in run. It's going to bring up this, press that. It's going to bring up this little thing right here. And then all you want to do from here is type in app data. Then just press OK. It's going to bring up this folder right here. Press local and then just search for your Discord folder. Once you've found your Discord folder, don't click into it or anything like that. All you need to do is press delete. Once you delete it, open up Discord again. And then once you've deleted it, open up Discord again and hopefully it should work. And if that doesn't work either, the best thing to do is just uninstall Discord by going to your search, add or remove programs, going to your installed apps and then searching up Discord. It's going to show up right here. Press these three little dots and press uninstall. Then just head on over to discord.com/download and just download for Windows again. Log in one more time and hopefully from all of that, your Discord should be working and launching on your PC.